What's him now? Called birthday, called carnival. See Obi Cubana 50th birthday. Almost see love everywhere. Even people where I feel say when they close to Obi Cubana, I see them there. Almost see carnival. This is not the birthday. See carnival. See, for this life, just be good. If you are good, people go love you. Anything where you do, people go turn up for you. Anyhow, any place where them there, they go turn up for you. Just be good. As they grow, just they pray for others to grow as they grow. So that when you go invite them, they will come turn up. Come on, this one I carnival, this one not the birthday. 50th birthday for Obi Cubana. Say as it be. People turn up.